Assalamu alaikum students. This is the remaining part of human respiratory system from throat to alveoli and how the exchange of gases takes place. Now students, when the air travels the windpipe or trachea, which divides into bronchi, which have almost the same structure as that of trachea. Each bronchus enters a lung where it splits up into numerous branches. Now students, the right bronchus leads to the right lung and the left bronchus leads to the left lung. Each bronchus then forms more branches which get smaller and smaller, forming tiny air passage called bronchioles. Now, what are lungs? A human breathing system consists of pair of lungs, an associated system of tubes for intake and removal of air through lungs. The lungs are situated in a rib cage. The dome-shaped sheet of muscles is made up of diaphragm with intercostal muscles between them. Now students, each bronchiole is a bunch of tiny air sacs called alveoli, single alveolus. The alveoli are specialized air sacs. They have elastic walls which expand when the air sacs inflates and then contract to expel the air out. Now the students, this air sacs and out of the lungs. Now the wall of the alveoli is very thin and is surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. You are clearly seen in the picture. Now which are one cell thick where the exchange of gases takes place. Now, how this exchange of gases takes place? As air is inhaled through nose and is enter the air sacs or alveoli, which are lined by very thin capillaries. The oxygen from the air is absorbed by the red blood cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide is brought to the lungs. From the body is released and exhaled. Look at the picture, how the oxygen entered in the alveoli and then it goes into the capillaries where the exchange of gases, oxygen is absorbed and the carbon dioxide is brought up to the lungs. Now students, when we breathe, we take in air that is surround us. More importantly, we take in oxygen which our body needs and then they breathe out carbon dioxide and other gases. Now students, this is the process from where how to air entered through the nostrils and get into the lungs where the exchange of gases takes place. And this is a continuously process. Thank you student.